Gyula Tornai was born April 12, 1861 in Gorgo, died November 24, 1928 in Budapest. He was a Hungarian painter, now featured in the Hungarian National Gallery. He was a noted painter in the Orientalist genre. His Oriental works gained him international recognition during his own lifetime. His paintings are also noted for their irony, humor and wit. For instance, his painting The Connoisseurs features a group of locals, possibly Berbers, gathered in the artist's studio critically examining a painting of Oriental men. These men were probably the subject of the painting. He also gave viewers glimpses of another world with his depictions of Oriental customs and practices. Several of Tornai's paintings are held in the Hungarian National Gallery.